Good morning, friends, and welcome back to your channel, Financial Freedom. I hope you guys are doing good. It has been a very long weekend, and I believe that you have watched this video which I have uploaded as on your demands for a stock which we need to buy at this point of time to make a decent profit. Anyways, it's early in the morning. It's around 4. Let's head towards the market and see how the market is. So, if we see the entire indices, every single one is bleeding. It's red. U.S. market, the Nasdaq has closed with 7 points down. European markets are like you can see 1.5%, 1.4%. Asian markets, it's the same thing. Asian market shows a lot of fall. It's 2%, 1, 2, 1.7. SGX Nifty as well, you can see 0.34% fall. So you could expect a similar effect no matter. I think it will be a gap down opening, seeing the market situation overall. You could expect a gap up opening. But again, let's see how the Indian market works. We have we have seen a similar effect in the previous trading sessions as well for Nifty and Sensex. We have seen the market close 18 points down, which is a slight down. It's basically consolidating near to 13,000 level. So everyone is looking out for the news for a breakout, and you could expect a couple of news today. This week, which could eventually help to break the 13,000 level. There's an RBI policy going to come out about the repo rates, and yes, there are news for the automobile sector as well, for the sales of the two-wheelers as well as four-wheelers. So yeah, there could be a slight tension for all the auto sector stocks for today. So the Sensex was 110 points down, Bank Nifty slightly positive 59 points, but again it's consolidating. So based on what we can see in the international market, you could expect a slight fall or a profit booking in Indian market as well for today. So based on that, let's see what will be the pivotal points, the supports for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So as we can see, the Nifty has closed at 12,969. So it's near to 13,000, and yes, 13,000 is the biggest support. It's still the resistance. It's still the resistance until Nifty doesn't close above 13,000 for a day or two, and then it will be converted into support for Nifty. So as of now, 13,000 plays a strong resistance, and after 13,000, if the Nifty crosses, it's 13,115, which the Nifty will face a resistance, and respectively the 13,210. When we talk about the support for Nifty for today, you could see a support for Nifty will be at 12,890, and then followed by 12,780 and 12,700. These are the levels which you should keep on your mind before you enter into the trade for Nifty as of today, because as per the markets which we can see, the bleeding markets, you could expect a down movement. Possibility for a down movement is higher comparative to an up movement. So this level should be at back of your mind before you enter into any of the Nifty or the Bank Nifty trades. So when we come to the Bank Nifty, as we can see, the market for the Bank Nifty has closed at 29,609, which is near to the next support and resistance. So the next resistance will be 29,700, followed by 20,880, and the biggest resistance which Bank Nifty will face is 30,000. When it comes to the Bank Nifty support, 29,488 is the immediate support for Bank Nifty as of now, and then we have 28,188 and 28,000. So it's the same thing as per the market conditions. You could expect them Indian indices as well. It might be I mean, like it. It's not necessary that it should be in a fall, but based on the global markets, you could expect a down moment both for the Nifty and Bank Nifty for today. So let's see what we have in the stock in news. So there's a news in sale. The Sorma Mondal appointed as chairperson for sale till April 2023. It's again a good news for sale. V2 Retail. Okay, so Bennett Coleman sold 4.5 lakh equity shares in the company at the rate of 84 lakh 80, sorry, I don't know what happened to me. I'm still sleepy, I believe. So sold the shares in the company at rupees 84.30 per share, and it sold on BSE. Warranty, the company disposed one of its real estate property, Suvera House in Kolkata. Then we have Future Consumer, again the same holding, which is Bennett Coleman and Company Limited, reduced stake in company to 4.25% from 6.33 via open market. You could expect similar kind of news in Future Consumer, as we all are aware of the tensions between the Amazon Future as well as Reliance as part of the tension as of now. So we have good news in Fortis Healthcare as well. So Aberdeen Standard Investment Asia Limited has increased their stake in the company to 5.2% from 4.96 via open market again. So Hero Motor Corp company appointed Michelle Clark as Chief Operating Officer. It's a good news, but again, as I told you, that you could expect a slight tension in all the auto sector today, because they're going to release their sales report for the month of November, especially the Diwali occasion and all. It would be Hero, Tata, Bajaj, Maruti, you name it, all the auto sector, M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra, everything is going to be a slight pressure. It could be a direct downfall, or you could see a rocket upside based on the numbers which they are going to publish. So if it's published during the market, then you could expect a lot of volatility. But if it's after the market, still you could expect some of the profit bookings in the auto sector today. So next we have Balapur Industries. ICICI Bank sold 2.3 stake in the company via open market, and right now the stake stands at 9.99%. And as we can see, this Action Construction Company, which is ACE, is quite a lot in the news from a couple of days. The promoter has again increased their stake in the company, which is slightly, as of now they are at 37.5%, and before it was 37.47%. Again, it's a good thing for the company. The promoters are quite optimistic about their company, and it's good for the stakeholders as well. So Whipple, the company, entered into an agreement to disinvest its 49% stake in their subsidiary Whipple Levania Developers. So again, this is a bad news for Whipple and developers, because the 49% stake disinvestment is a big thing. Anyways, let's head towards the foreign institutional as well as domestic institutional data and analyze how was the business done in the market. When we see FIIs, the gross purchase, the total business was for 74,741 crores, and this is a huge number, trust me guys. So you could see there was a sell of 67,028 crore rupees. This was the amount of portfolio, the shares which the FIIs have booked their profit. It's for sure that you could see some kind of negativity in today's market, and you could expect a gap down opening as well. Whereas the total net purchase was 7,712. When it comes to DIIs, what else can you expect? It's always the selling pressures which DIIs put. So the total business was 4,875 crores, out of which 9,844 crores was they sold off their portfolios, and this is the purchase, which is 4,968, and again it's negative 4,968. So you could just add up this 4,000 plus the 67,000, so it's around 71,000 crores is just out of the market. People have booked their profits, and that too a big institutional investors, you could expect, you could just understand what is going to come today in the market. It could be a slight tsunami. So that's all from my side, friends. Stay alert. You could expect some kind of negativity in the market based on the global uh, anyways. So you could expect some kind of volatility. Be prepared for that mentally as well as with your, what do you call, your fund. So don't panic. Look to a actual setup based on price action, and the overall trend as of now is negative. So be on a negative side, on the shorting side. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.